Are you ready?
No.
Okay, are you ready?
Hello, mga palangga.
Hello mga palangga, my name is Brina.
My name is Chris. Welcome to our page.
Yeah, sa mga
Channel?
hindi nakakilala. So, my name is Brina and his name is who?
You're teasing me now.
Yeah, mga palangga, we're here in a store and Chris has plan. So, what was your plan?
We can't talk to each other the whole time.
I'm gonna win then.
She says I talk too much. Wrong. We'll see who the one who talks.
It's no
We
talk.
can talk to other people like the cashier, and we're not going to be rude to people. Just rude to each other.
No talk challenge. It's gonna be, how are we gonna communicate with each other? Just sign language then, right? Okay.
Basically, can we buy this?
So if someone talks, then per talk is $10
No.
penalty.
No.
Because I'm gonna win.
I said we'll talk to other people, the cashier and the baggers. We're not going to be mean to people. We'll just to each other. So
Let's see kung sino, let's see who's gonna survive, right? All right, let's start.
even in our sleep.
Minsan kasi pag sometimes when I'm sleeping, mga palangga, I'm talking.
Car's getting hot. We got to go.
I'm gonna go now. Sige, so, umpisahan ang no talk challenge. So start now.
How do we vlog and not talk though?
Yeah, you can still talk to the vlog, darling, but you just gonna, every time you communicate with me, then just sign language. So mga palangga, pag magtatanong si Chris ng question sa akin, he just do a sign language. So okay, count down na 1, 2, 3, start. So nandito na kami sa store. And Chris has something to say. Clearance, mga palangga, clearance. Mga Michael Kors. Clearance ng mga Michael Kors. Sabi ko kasi, tanahan ko na siya. Chris. Mga palangga, ang dami mga sale dito, mga guess na bag. $70 na lang. Of course, si Chris palaging nagta-thumbs down, so wala akong chance. Ang dami, clearance lahat, dami mga palangga, clearance. It's all clearance, but Chris is always thumbs down. Ang daming clearance, Ayaw daw niya kasi pink. Ano na lang, $4? Yeah. Ayaw niya ito ba ang kurtina? Hawaii? Silly guys. Ayaw daw niya. Silly. So mga palangga, so far si Chris ay hindi nagsalita. I'm surprised. Pupunta kami, bibilhan namin si Ana ng toys kasi si Ana hingi ba si Ana ng presents daw. So hanapan namin ng mga tag $5 lang siguro na dito na toys. Si Ana Banana. Sige, hanap tayo. Oh, I like this one. Dati siyang 74, 34 na lang. O, $34 na lang. Bibilan ko si Ana nito. I think she's gonna like this.
Lady after my own heart. I've had that way. I'm not a fan of it, but I've had it. Okay. Yes. Just go with the original body. Yeah. Peaches, right? Yeah, that's what I was saying, the peaches. That might work. You can't go wrong with peaches. Pour over some vanilla hazelnut on it as well. Jen. What's happening?
My kids, man, for 6. Before the COVID thing.
Ay mga palangga, wala akong nabili mga palangga, puro no si Chris. Bumili lang kami ng ng toys ni Ana, yung tag $5 kasi gusto ni Ana ang kahit mura na toys natutuwa ang bata, but si Chris ayaw niya. Wala akong nakuha ng mga sales kasi puro no si Chris. Okay lang. Yun, nagbabayad na siya ng ni Chris. Ang daming clearance dito. Ang daming clearance. May mga brand naman. Ayoko, hindi ko rin gusto hindi ko rin gusto ang design. Pang matanda. Gusto ko to sana. But I think too early. Ayun na si Chris.